Let me start with the truth nobody told you. You are not behind, you are not late, you are not failing, you are simply untrained. There's a reason life feels heavy. Not because you're weak, but because nobody ever taught you how to lift it. But today, we fix that. You know why discipline never sticks? Because you're trying to force discipline. Instead of understanding it, discipline is not waking up early. Discipline is not grinding for 12 hours. Discipline is not saying no to distractions. Discipline is this, doing the smallest possible task, especially when it feels pointless. Because your brain builds confidence through completion, not intensity. You're not inconsistent, you're overcommitted, but we fix that today. Here are the practical steps to become consistent in 2026. Start microscopically small. 2 minutes of reading, 1 minute of journaling, 5 push-ups. This rewires dopamine. Track only 1 habit per week, not 10. 1. Too many habits create overwhelm. Reward actions, not outcomes. You don't celebrate results, you celebrate effort. This keeps the brain returning. Lower the bar, raise the frequency. Small daily beats big occasionally. This is how consistency becomes natural, not forced in. Let me talk to the part of you that's tired. The part of you that feels like nothing works. You scroll, you try, you stop, you disappear. You feel like you're repeating the same year over and over again. You're not lazy, you're hurt. Nobody sees how hard you're trying to hold your life together. Nobody knows the pressure you wake up with. But hear me, pain doesn't mean you stop. Pain means you are alive. Pain means your story isn't finished. Here are practical ways to deal with emotional pain in 2026. 1. Name the pain. Say, I'm overwhelmed, I'm scared, I'm tired. When you name it, you control it. 2. Replace emotional escape with emotional expression. Write, voice note yourself. Talk to someone safe. 3. Create pain to action rituals. Whenever life hurts, walk for 10 minutes, do 20 push-ups, do a 3-minute meditation, train your body to move instead of freeze. 4, remember, pain is a message, not an identity. End. Stop waiting to feel ready. Stop waiting to fix your mindset. Stop waiting for motivation. The strongest people in the world don't rely on motivation. They rely on identity. When you stop saying, I want to be disciplined, and start saying, I am disciplined, your brain stops negotiating. Identity beats motivation. Here are the practical steps to build unshakable discipline in 2026. Create an identity sentence. Say daily, I am the type of person who doesn't skip what matters. Remove decision fatigue. Choose your bedtime, wake-up time, and 2 daily non-negotiables. Replace punishment with systems. Don't punish yourself when you fail. Adjust your system. The 24-hour comeback rule. If you miss a day, you must return the next day. Never miss twice in. Your mind is not your enemy. Your mind is a tool, but right now, it's using you. You want to win 2026? Master this rule. Your thoughts are suggestions, not commands. You don't have to obey. The fear, the doubt, the overthinking, the what ifs, the anxiety, you observe, you breathe, you choose. Here are practical ways to master your mind in 2026. Delay emotional reactions by 10 seconds. This activates logic over panic. Ask this question when overwhelmed. What is the next 2-minute task? Fear hates simplicity. Journal at night. Your brain dumps stress before sleep. Meditate 3 minutes a day, not 20. 3. Consistency is greater than intensity. End. Becoming unrecognizable doesn't happen in a week. It doesn't happen in a month. Transformation is slow, then sudden. You grind in silence for months. Then one day, people look at you and they don't recognize you anymore. Your energy is different. Your discipline is different. Your standards are different. This is what we're building. Steps to become unrecognizable in 2026. Upgrade your environment. Remove 1 toxic person. Add 1 disciplined person. Upgrade your habits, not many, just the right ones. Health, learning, income. Upgrade your self-respect. Stop begging for attention. Start earning your own. Upgrade your vision. Know exactly what you're building. In. Here's the simple blueprint to win 2026. 1. Master your mornings. Start your day with 1 win. 2. Train your body daily, no excuses. A strong body protects the mind. 3. Focus on 1 income skill for 12 months. 1 skill can change your whole life. 4, study yourself like a project. Track habits, track progress, track energy. 5, build systems, not dreams. Dreams inspire, systems execute. 6, protect your peace like your life depends on it, because it does. 7, and finally, don't quit on hard days. Hard days are the days that build you in. Look, a year from now, you're either going to thank yourself or you're going to wish you started today. You want people to look at you differently in 2026. Then do something today that your future self will be proud of. Everything you want, your confidence, your discipline, your success is built in the silence of days like this. Stay till the end. Here's the real secret. In 2026, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to be better than the old you. And that version can't follow you into next year. This is your time, your blueprint, your rise, your comeback story. Now go, start today, and make 2026 the year the world meets the real you. If this video gave you clarity, then subscribe, because 2026 won't wait for you, and neither will your future.